I'm emphasizing that you need to be very careful with the type of networks you are creating. CEOs need to network with their fellow CEO. We don't need you need to get rich people to network with here. We mean that you need to look at people with positive mindset, people who also think big as you are. And that will help you to create a very big signage in your life, and your success journey will be very easy. Planning at national level, you need to be cautious of your country. You can't succeed as a CEO unless if you are able to analyze the general environmental factors that have influenced your program, your activities as in an organization or at a personal level. So no, note that every problem that the country has affects you in one way or another. So don't exclude yourself from the national interest issues. The common mistake people do is to focus on themselves and their families. Plan to leave a legacy when you die. That's the true success. Success is only defined when you die. What you leave behind your back will matter most in terms of accomplishment. So accomplishment is not measured by what you do to yourself, but to others. So love your country. The CEO without any business. Planning does not wait for a business. A business waits for a plan. So you need to be careful. You need to understand that you need to plan for you to get better. Otherwise, if you wait for a business for you to start planning, you won't get that business. Use much of your time to think of something to do. So it doesn't matter whether you are working, a student, or just staying. You can have a plan for your life. So plan for your life, things will change for you. Plan to start with ideas rather than being obsessed with money. Don't wait for money for you to plan. Start with the ideas, practical ideas for that matter. Remember, money follow those who save others. So plan to save people. The CEO with the small business. The difference between visionary people and non-visionary ones is visible. The vision will give you tasks like how the journey does to a traveler. So, like a journey, the vision will guide you, provide direction. Don't see your business as small. That's where everything starts. So you need to start looking at your business as something small, but which is now heading to the direction which is very big. So start small and plan big. Remember, every positive step you take in life counts for positive results sooner or later. At this level, you need to sacrifice more. CEO with medium enterprise, we mean here people who are doing small business, medium enterprise, medium businesses. This is where the challenge starts growing the business because the business is growing. You need to grow in mind as well. So the common mistake here is to enjoy life before you reach where you are going. Most people are carried away with the small amount of money they get when their business is growing. As such, you need to be careful. When things start improving, that's where people get obsessed of money. So don't forget your vision, expand your mission and objectives. Seek help from valid people. Plan further growth at this stage and avoid complacency. The CEO student. Here we are catering for people who are studying, so learning is the process of combining theory and practice. Experience is a good teacher, so get exposed to things that matters. Don't focus much on theory. As students, you need to try your best to be more practical. Uh, put everything you learn at school into practice. That will help. Plan to obtain more experience in life through practice in work and business. Volunteer during holidays. Find something to do for your life. School is not a burden for you. Plan to be independent. That's the mindset you need to embrace. Uh, The CEO as a school leaver. School leaver can also become a CEO on his or her own. So formal education is not a solution for everything, for every challenge in life. I rather keep learning from practical experience. Plan for the next move regardless of your status. What you are now doesn't matter. What matters is what you become in the near future. Seek advice, seek help. Life is a precious gift which should never be wasted. You have a natural talent to be explored. So if you left school and you think like you have nothing you can do in life, that's just a total lie. You can become a CEO as a school leaver and do things to help yourself as well as the community at large. So principles of a CEO. You are not a common person to be going out with everyone. You have the capacity to direct your life towards where you feel to go. You need to be controlling the environment around you rather than letting it control you. People around should be benefiting from you, from your perspective. They will begin to love you. Don't cause trouble. You have a long journey which you can go. I wish you can't go alone. So as a CEO, the discipline is very key here. Discipline is key. As a CEO, you need to be thinking like a CEO. Don't be distracted with everything as well. Don't allow the environment to be controlling you. Rather, you should be controlling the environment around you. Your current resources is not a determinant of your success. Your action now what matters most. You don't need more money now, you need more ideas that will bring you money. Success is not measured by what you do to yourself. So you should keep that in mind as CEO, and your actions are affected by more people than you imagine. Um, Similarly, you are affected by every activity happening in your country.